let's just jump right into it. Here's how to prepare and start your YouTube channel. Before we start the video, I want you to get a pen and paper because you're going to start your YouTube channel today, okay? We're not procrastinating no more. We're not keep watching videos, scrolling to see how to start. No, we're starting, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know today in this moment. So let's just dive right in right now. Okay, so number one, you need to get this pen and paper that you have right now. On the top of it, you need to write your YouTube name. Come up with a YouTube name. Put a line, or if it already has a line, just leave it blank. YouTube name. You need to have a YouTube bio that you're going to create. Create some space in between to create your YouTube bio for your channel. You need to put down themes so you can figure out what you want your theme to be about. Example of theme could be aesthetic it girl. So you'll have a theme with like stuff about, you know, you self-care and looking pretty and girly stuff, okay? It girl stuff. And example of a YouTube name could be at that girl, or that girl Molly, or that girl Sadie, or that girl Riley, something like that. And then you need to create you another email, not your personal one, but you need a business email, or another, just a regular, another Gmail account that you can use for your YouTube channel in case you get brand sponsorships and stuff like that, brand deals. And we're going to talk about that more in the video. Number two, you need to have your niche. So under that, you need to have a niche. Sit down and think about what you love to do, what makes you the most happiest. List things like hair, makeup, nails, lifestyle, mommy videos, educational videos. Whatever one sticks out the most to you, you need to choose that one and stick to it throughout your whole YouTube channel, throughout your whole creation of your channel. Or you just keep going every month. That's what your niche needs to be, okay? Number three, what you're going to do is pick a designated spot where you're going to have your video at, what area you're going to shoot your videos at. Make sure you have good lighting, okay? If you don't have a ring light, get in the area where windows are so you can have bright and natural lighting that's coming to you. The background, it looks good enough, okay? Make sure that you just post. Don't try to make yourself be up to par or a certain way, all glammed up every video, because then you won't want to film, because you're gonna not feel like getting all glammed up every time. Just post. Be in your natural state like I am. Like, just be in your natural state and just post your videos so you can be able to stay on top of posting and being consistent, because that will drive you to not be consistent because you're trying to get glammed up. And most people don't feel like doing it all the time. You don't have to. Just be natural to you, because what you don't know is sometimes the people that are attracted to you or that God has for you are going to know you by your natural state anyway. So just post, okay? Just post. Don't worry about your appearance, okay, and stuff of that nature. All right. Number four, okay, you need to after you sit down and done those three things, you need to sit down and do your content ideas. What are your content gonna be about? What your video is gonna be about? And a good app that you can use right now is ChatGPT. Type in video ideas for makeup that are trending right now, okay, in 2024, and that's what you need to go based off when you're doing your content creation. Also add your own little spaz into it as well, but you can use ChatGPT to plan out your videos for going into 2025 or for the month, and it'll give you a list of things that you can do that pertains to your niche. And also, let me just add this on. When you start recording, you need to do make sure your videos are quick, short, and to the point, okay? Because people have short attention spans, all right? So make sure your videos are short, quick, and to the point. And also make sure you do one whole shot of a video, not so you won't have to edit so much, okay, and so long. It won't take you 3 days to edit one video, okay? You need to do one shot video. So if you have a topic, try not to mess up when you're doing that video. Or if you have a step-by-step plan, try not to mess up when you're doing each step. Record each shot separately, but try not to mess up during each shot that you're recording, okay? Number five, you need to sit down and create you a schedule for your content, okay? So after you've done your content ideas and the stuff that I told you before, you need to have a day where you're going to do your content and where you're going to edit your content, okay? Then you have a day where you're going to publish your content. You're going to have a day where you need to promote your content. You're going to have a rest day, okay? Here's an example of a few that I did right here. So you see I have a day where I create, edit, upload up on that part. Then you have a rest day. Then you have a promote day. And we'll get more into promoting and what you can do to promote and shorts and stuff of that nature. But this is what your schedule needs to look like. You can also go to Dollar Tree and buy you a calendar from there, so you can write it in yourself and get stickers to put it in from when you created your day. When you finished your day on your schedule, okay? So you can stay consistency. You need something to keep you consistent. So 5 is to create a content schedule for yourself, all right? moving on to step number 6. Okay, so now that you have your designated spot of where you're going to be recording at and stuff of that nature, you're going to go to editing. And what you can use for editing is an app called CapCut. A lot of other YouTubers use this app as well. And you can get video effects, you can get different fonts that you want to use. They have overlays, they have chroma key where you can take off the green screen of stuff, you can change the fitting of your videos. They have sound effects that you can use, trending sound effects like oh my god, or different stuff like that. But or dings, clicks, all that stuff that you need, typing, they have all that in CapCut. And if you want more benefits out of CapCut, you can get the CapCut Pro membership. All right, and then also people do like YouTube background music. So with non-copyright music, what you can do is go to YouTube, type in non-copyrighted music, and then you can also add on to that R&B, pop, jazz, rock, gospel, anything that you like and pertains to your niche. You can add on to that search, and then you'll get pop-ups of non-copyright music. What you're going to do is, once you find it, you're going to go to the bottom of the video. It's going to say share, then you're going to copy the link, and then you're going to go to a website called YTMP3. This converts your video into an MP3 that you can add onto your CapCut video. All right, so you're going to download, you're going to go to that app, share it. You're going to copy the link, go to that website, ytmp3.com, and then you're going to convert it into an MP3, okay? And then you're going to save it to your files, and then you're going to be able to use that with CapCut, all right? And so remember to keep your video short and sweet, okay? And one-shot videos. And I wanted to add on, once you end up saving your video out of CapCut, before you post it on your YouTube channel, you need to go to edit on your photos, and then kind of like trim out of the back part where it says CapCut. Okay, if you don't have the CapCut Pro, because they won't, with CapCut Pro you won't have that in the back of your video. But if you have CapCut Basic and you're starting at $0, just go into photos and crop out the end part where it shows the black screen and then it says CapCut in the middle. Just go ahead and crop that out of there, and then you'll have the video without the CapCut logo in there. Okay, but moving on to step 7. Okay, once you save your video to your phone, whatever, then you need to go to Canva. Use Canva. You need to go create you a thumbnail for your video. Okay, so with your thumbnail, you need to make sure that it is simple. It has nice clean font, pretty girly font pertaining to your niche. Okay, make sure it's like a standout picture or something that's solving a problem within the words or within the picture, where they see something transformable that makes them want to click your video. Okay, make it stand out. That's as simple as it gets. All right, so moving on to step number 8. Okay, your post description. Once you have your thumbnail saved, your post description, make sure you make that you can kind of make it in your notes on your phone or write it down. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, describe the video, what's happening, something short and sweet, and then put connect with me, some socials that you have that you want to connect with you, and then add your business email so that brands or anybody else, sponsorships, can reach out to you at. Okay, that's step number 8. Okay, step number 9. Once you've added your video to YouTube, you did your thumbnail, you did your description, okay, and make sure you forgot to add in, when you're doing your description, put a call to action, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if this video helped you. But once you did that, did your thumbnail, then push post to YouTube, you need to be promoting your video. Okay, if you're committed to posting one video a week, you need to be posting that one video a week, but doing 2 to 3 videos, shorts, pertaining to that video a week. Okay, and then what you can do with your short is connect your video to your short, so you post it and then there's a connection when they can click it right under your short that pertains to that, and that'll drag people from your short to your video and help you with watch hours and video views and stuff of that nature. Okay, and then they will subscribe once you say your call to actions. Okay, so if you create a really good short, you will be getting literally 20, 30, 40, 50 subscribers off of that one short. Maybe it could be 100. It depends on how good your video is, and this will skyrocket your channel and take your channel to the next level once you do these shorts and connect your video to your shorts. Okay, and then also you can post it on YouTube. You can post it on TikTok and your Instagram, right? And then put in your captions, YouTube, that girl Molly, that girl Riley, that girl, Sam, whatever. You can post that in your captions of your TikTok and your Instagram posts that you're promoting as well, when you're promoting your YouTube. Okay, so that is step number 9. So doing that promoting with shorts will get you the most engagement and growth, eventually leading up to you being able to monetize your account of 0 subscribers if you're just starting out, which you are. But if you're not and you have like 100 or 200, it still will get you the most amount of engagement. But if you don't have IG or TikTok, doing shorts, yes, will get you the most engagement. If you are already established on TikTok or Instagram, that'll also get you more engagement because you're already established. So you're bringing those followers over to your YouTube channel. But if you don't have that, don't worry about that. Just use shorts to promote your channel, and this will help you grow quickly, rapidly, okay, a lot. But start now. Don't procrastinate. After this video, do everything that I just told you to do and get your channel on the roads, because a lot of people are doing YouTube and content and getting rich off content. So start now, because I promise you your life has value and other people need to see what you have to offer, and it will take you somewhere in the end. Okay, know that you need to start shining your lights. Don't let anybody else dim your light. Do not self-sabotage and think that you're not good enough or you don't have this and you don't have this. Start with your iPhone now for $0 and start your content now. Okay, because in 1 month it will pay off if you be consistent and do all the steps that I told you to do. It will pay off. Okay, you will grow and you will eventually monetize your channel and get rich off of content, because a lot of people are doing that now. Okay, so start now. Do not procrastinate. Don't keep scrolling through other videos. Start now. And as far as brands, if you want brand deals when you start your channel, they will reach out to you. If you do content pertaining to what they do, they'll reach out to you because it matches what they're doing. Okay, and then they also have brand ambassadors where you can be a brand ambassador and then find their email, okay, email them to be a part of what they're doing and get on their campaign. They'll pay you. And if you don't know what your worth is for these brand deals, you can reach out to them and ask them, hey, what is your budget? And then when they tell you your budget, go based off of that. Or if you feel like you have good content and you know what you're doing, or you saw somebody else's content where they have brand deals and you feel like you match their content, then, and you see how much they're charging or whatever, you can charge the same amount, because you can do that too. It's basically the same type of content. So you can charge that same amount. Know your worth, okay? Do not take the bare minimum, because there are people getting $2,000, $3,000 from brand deals, okay? But you also can become a brand ambassador, okay? So they have emails where you can reach out to them as a YouTube creator and become a brand ambassador for them. And do not let anybody stop your shine, and you can do this. Start now before it's too late. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share this with somebody who you know needs to start their YouTube channel as well, okay? And don't forget that I'm doing a giveaway, so your subscription is your entry, okay? And if you feel like you're ready to get in alignment with your growth and with the high version of yourself, click the link in my bio, and I will help you to begin your journey of self-growth and being the person that God intended for you to be, and walking in your purpose and your calling that He has for you. Okay, so don't overthink. Start now. Literally start now. Okay, take 2 hours to yourself. Put a reminder on your phone, or what's that called, a timer on your phone. 2 hours to yourself. Don't let anyone stop you. Don't let anyone come in your room. Don't let anyone. No. I'm starting my growth. I'm starting my YouTube. Nope, not right now. Wait until 2 hours till I'm done creating my channel, then we can talk. Mom, brother, sister, cousin. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope that this video helped you so much. Again, subscribe, turn that post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, girls.